webinar. Okay, so invited our guest alumni Manisha madam, our director madam, my faculty members, and my enthusiastic participants. It's a great pleasure to wish you a very good evening to all of you. I, Tanvi Desai, feel privileged to welcome you all on behalf of Anand Institute of Information Science to this webinar on positive mindset during COVID-19 pandemic. I would like to over our director madam to present the welcome address and introduce our guest to us. Madam, over to you.
Oh, thank you, Tanvi. It is indeed our first e-session on this COVID era, and we are lucky to have our alumni Manisha Bharti, who is alumni of Anand Institute of Information Science, and she has studied during 2014-16 at our institute. She was a very bright student, and at present she is working at uh, as a junior manager at AYM Syntax at Selvasa, and she is going to cover positive mindset during COVID-19 pandemic. Actually, we all of us are facing a um, critical situation since last 2 months, and it is highly required to be positive in this situation. Otherwise, if we lose our mental stability, or say we are depressed, or say we have negative thoughts in our mind, it may affect our social life as well as professional life. And she know it very well, and so today she is with us. I welcome Manisha on behalf of Anand Institute of Information Science. Actually, the team size of our institute is very small, but still it is possible for us to make this event successful, because we all are working very hard day and night to make it happen. And the support of alumni is really great, and we hope that in future also we'll get same support, so that our current student as well as even sometimes faculty member get fresh insight in the current scenario of IT technology, as well as day-to-day life, which you have experienced or you have learned by your experience. As Tanvi has well said, positivity is essential nowadays. I now welcome once again Manisha, and I hand over to you the session, so that the audience can be enlightened. Thank you for joining. Welcome.
Thank you, Tanvi ma'am. Thank you, Shaya ma'am, for the invitation. Good evening to our respected principal madam, Mrs. Shaya Patel, to all my respected teachers and mentors, and the students attending this session. Good evening, everyone. It fills my heart with joy and happiness to be asked to share my views and experience with all of you. I really feel very honored. It is said that it is said that every dark cloud has a silver lining. It is just a matter of time until you see that silver lining. Moving ahead onto this positive note. Hi everyone. I'm Manisha Bharti, alumni of Anand Institute of Information Science from batch 2014. As we all know, today we have gathered here to discuss about positive mindset during COVID-19 pandemic and how to keep ourselves positive in such a circumstances. COVID-19. The word itself scares nowadays, but I think generally till now everyone must be aware about this invisible enemy. Generally, coronavirus is spread through human contact. The first case traveled from China, the Wuhan city, in December 2019. Okay. At that time, we were not facing this issue, and slowly, it spread globally. It is said it has been originated from bat. You can see how actually this thing spread from a bat to human. Chinese are very much fond of non-veg, and this bat had this virus called SARS-CoV. It was consumed in human during this bat eating, and the person was carrying it. After that, it had a human host, and it formed a chain from human to human transmission, which is now slowly has increased to a vast case. Coronavirus in India. No one thought this would happen because in December we were hardly dealing with any of these situations, and in January when the first case reported, 30th January the first case was reported, and after that many major precautionary action were taken by our Prime Minister Modi ji. He tried to take the lockdown to fourth stage. The lockdown was started from 24th March and is now to the fourth stage, trying to control the pandemic to a great extent. But still, today the total confirmed cases has crossed 1 lakh. It's a thing to worry, but not an issue. Think positive. Things will come to an end. Density of cases in different state. आपको ये देख के ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि ये रेड क्या है. जब हम अपना इंडिया का मैप पहले देखते थे, it was like yellow, green, bluish type, and now it's like red. This shows how badly India has affected. Not only India, the world has affected. Symptoms of coronavirus. Nowadays, we must be thinking, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि सामने वाला affected है या नहीं. The most common thing in this is fever, fatigue, dry cough. Some patients may also have body aches, pain, sore throat, running nose, shortness of breath, diarrhea. Critical cases may also cause pneumonia and multi-organ failure. Nowadays, 1 or 2 cases must have also found that symptoms are not found and the person is said to be positive. It's better that whenever any person is traveling anywhere in such a situation, better to get treated in hospital or get checked up and then get self quarantine. In fact, कोई आपको कहे उसके बाद आप चीजें फॉलो करें, इससे पहले ही आप चीजों को फॉलो कर ले तो वो हमें भी सेफ रखेगी, हमें सामने वाले को भी सेफ. So the symptoms you can see is cough, fever, headache, tired, chill, sweats, and difficulty in breathing. Now, symptoms तो देख लिया. How we say that prevention is better than cure. Seems to be taken precaution before than curing it. So firstly, I would suggest stay home as much as is possible. If you're going out, keep a very important habit to wear a mask. It reduces the chance to spread the infection. Use sanitizer when you touch outside things. Sanitizer से एक word याद आता है. In India, we normally did not use sanitizer before. So sanitizer is a part of a family member. એક એવો સદસ્ય છે પરિવારનો જેનો કહી શકે સરકારી નોકરી લાગી ગઈ હોય. Jokes apart, maintain a safe distance of 1.5 feet with others. When you go out, have a habit to keep this distance. It's very important nowadays. Avoid contact. Do not shake hand. जैसे कि हम जब घर आते हैं, हमारे छोटे बच्चे हो या कलीग्स हो, उनको हग करने की, हैंडशेक करने की आदत होती है. वो चीजों को अवॉइड करना इस सिचुएशन में बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Use a mask. Wash handshake with soap. Stay at home. Use sanitizer. Keep a distance of 1.5 meter and avoid contact. अभी बहुत सारे एड्स आते होंगे कि कोरोना वायरस संक्रमण के खतरनाक घटनाएं से सरल उपाय. तो जब हम खांसे या किसी बीमार व्यक्ति की देखरेख करें या खाना बनाने से पहले, खाना खाने से पहले, शौचालय को इस्तेमाल करने से पहले हाथ धोने बहुत ज़रूरी है। और अगर हमें कोई भी ऐसा फ़ील होता है कि हमें खाँसी हो रही है, हमें किसी भी चीज़ की परेशानी हो रही है, तो बेटर टू कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर देन टू कीप क्वाइट। COVID-19 has affected us in many ways, physically, mentally, and professionally. People with lower immunity system, especially small children and older people, are more at risk than others. Like age of 20 to 30, they may not get affected, और किसी को ऐसा लगता होगा कि इसको symptoms नहीं दिख रहे, but after the test he or she may get notice that उसको ये problem थी, he got positive. So इट्स बेटर कि हम अपने लोअर एज और हायर एज वाले को चीजें बहुत ध्यान से रखें एंड बेटर टू टेक intake of such a thing that boost up your immune system, which is very important these days, than to have a junk food. Mentally, I can say that staying alone in lockdown or can affect your mental health and lead to depression. It is very difficult to tackle up these things, but you can come up with this mental depression by thinking positive. It's very good practice कि जितना आप पॉजिटिव सोचोगे चीजें उतनी आप उभर के आएगी एंड डेफिनेटली मेंटल स्ट्रेस एंड डिप्रेशन विल गो स्लोली आउट. Professionally, now everyone are well known about the things happening economic around the world. The global market has gone down very badly, which have started affecting job of people. This is my live experience. I'm looking after this that the industries and companies are not able to pay because of this economical and financial issues going out in the global situation. But we should be thankful. In fact, I would suggest the people who think कि अरे हमें कम सैलरी मिली है, हमें पूरी सैलरी मिलनी चाहिए थी, हमारी क्या प्रॉब्लम थी. Think that at least you got those things. Some people are losing job in this situation, but even though if you are paid half of the salary is also, uh, I can say it's very, कहते हैं ना, a cherry on top of the cake. I'll say that. The world is fighting. The entire world is fighting to this situation to survive and also to support the country. PM Modi is trying his best to protect his own country. Doctors are trying their best to give their best day and night. They are working out to protect us from these infected diseases. Future is dark and we don't know when this will end because up till now there is no accurate medicine and vaccination for this COVID-19 pandemic. Fear and negativity. It is very easy to let negative thoughts and feeling creep in during the COVID-19 pandemic. It's natural, but coronavirus is spreading now. When first case started, we did not knew this will spread so vastly, and the situation will be like after 2 months we have crossed 1 lakh, and we don't know what will be the situation in June. Will be the situation in June and July. Since you can see there was one patient in week 1, it came 3. Week 2, it multiplied 3, spread, and now it's uncontrolled. Nation are under quarantine. This is done because people who are stayed out, they want to come from outside, they want to come from their own family, and they need to be quarantined. This is very important because you don't know you are carrying a virus, and you may not be aware of it. It's natural, and maybe some of you not getting that symptoms out. It's better to get quarantined to a place and be safe within, instead of making others affected with it later on. It's better to keep yourself 15 days out of the world. It's fine. At least with that, after that 15 days, we can say that we have not spread the diseases. People are jobless. Now, this situation, you must be knowing daily and daily it is happening that migrant workers are forced to leave their job and move towards their hometown because lack of money. This situation also arrived because the impact of sorry, um, global market has gone down and people are not getting their salary maximum. Some are losing their job, some who have been surviving on their saving has now saying that we have no money, now what? So this situation has become very critical day by day. And in this situation, many people don't know how we will survive, and they started moving to their hometown, and they say that we will go, whatever we will do, we will be at least at our home. And so this situation has arrived. People started moving barefooted without any travel, and barefooted they have started walking thousands of miles to their homes. Guys, now people who may be saying that अरे हम बहुत टाइम से घर पे हैं, you should feel lucky. At least you are not. We are. No one is facing this situation that many of people who are facing, who are moving uh, towards their home without any help and support. Okay, if your school and colleges are closed indefinitely, okay, if you're feeling afraid and but you're not alone, that's a natural response. There is a lot of things going and an incredible changes happening around. That's kind of fear. Is what most of us feel. Despite of this, keeping a positive mindset can go a long way in managing through the difficult time. It is just any negative thoughts that is arriving in the mind is to be put aside and positive is to be taken in. Then everything will go according to what we want and what we feel. Good things will definitely happen. Keep an attitude that looks for positive and try to be optimistic can help you to filter out some of the contained baggage of bad or discouraging news. Holding on to the positive attitude can help you focus on things that provide you with what you need to make it through these days. It is really important nowadays. Like I will say that if you think for a short period of time that what will go next, don't think that. Just accept, yes, I am worried. Yes, I am feeling afraid. And let those positive mind things come in your mind that you want to do. Don't let negativity come and control you. Hey, what will happen next? How things will go on? No need to worry about that. Just let things go as it is. And just keep saying, थ्री इडियट में वो डायलॉग था ना, all will be well. All is well. I will say, keep saying all will be well. All will be well. As all we are all known that we have been home home quarantine for days, weeks. Now it has turned to months, and we all miss our old life. No need to miss anything. Use this time like when we were busy enough, we used to say that अरे मैं तो ये कर लूंगी जब मैं फ्री होंगी, मैं तो वो कर लूंगी जब मैं फ्री होंगी. दैट इज दैट फ्री टाइम. यूज दिस टाइम. इट इज वेरी प्रेशियस. क्या पता दोबारा ये मौका मिले ना मिले. हम कहते थे अरे मैं तो कल ये प्लान करूंगी, अपने फैमिली के साथ यहाँ जाऊंगी, ये टाइम स्पेंड करूंगी, ये खेलूंगी, वो खेलूंगी. In 90s, I don't know, we usually say in 90s we children used to play indoor games a lot. In fact, we were very fond of games because at that time we did not have this mobile phones, and we liked enjoying times with family. I have been living this my past life again with my family, and I'm very happy with that. I'm not at all worried what will happen next. I'm just enjoying the moment with my family today, tomorrow. कल क्या होगा किसने देखा है, तो जी लो आज जो हमारे पास है. So I challenge you to do this. Change your mindset. Change for every negative thoughts, bring it to positive. The power of positive thinking is absolutely real. It is been proven many times that if you think in a positive manner, you will have positive result. Like optimism is powerful. See, these three things in is like I have my experience says that it's the best time. People nowadays says I have to stay home. No, say I am staying home to save lives, save my life, save other lives. Instead of I don't have freedom to do some of the things I want to do. Think I am thankful to everything I can do now. As I said, leave your past now. This is the best time with you can spend with your family, your friend, contact to everybody whom you wanted to, but you could not in these busy schedules and time. Instead of I am out of my routine and everything has changed. Think, here's my chance to find a new way to challenge myself. Challenge yourself. Sit, find whatever you want to do. Bring, in this, I would say that many of us want say that I don't get an opportunity. I don't have time to think. This is that time. This is that chance you can use it in a positive way. There are many ways to stay positive in coronavirus anxiety. Seek accurate information from legitimate source. Set limits around news of COVID-19. Look after yourself. Reach out to others and support people around you. Maintain a sense of hope and positive thinking. Acknowledge your feelings. Stay connected even when physically isolated. Ask for professional support. And the biggest one is faith. Seeking accurate information. This is important because real news is very important nowadays. Stick to trustworthy sources such as World Health Organization and your local public health authorities. Ask someone reliable to share important updates. Ask someone you trust to pass along any major updates you need to know about. આમાં કહેવાય છે કે રિયલ ન્યૂઝ કરતા અફવાએ વધારે ફેલાય છે. તો એ અફવાઓથી આપણે બચવું છે. જે એક્યુરેટ હોય, જે સાચું હોય એને ફોલો કરો. જેના પર ભરોસા હોય એના થ્રુ આપણી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ અપડેટ્સ આગળ વધાવો. પર આપણે એમ કહીએ ને કે અનરિયલિસ્ટિક ન્યૂઝ ટેક નેગેટિવિટી મચ ફાસ્ટર, એ એવું જ હોય છે. જેટલું રિયલ ન્યૂઝને ફોલો કરશો એટલું અપડેટેડ રહેશો. Limits around news on COVID-19. Limit how often you check your updates. Constant monitoring of news and social media feeds can quickly fuel your anxiety. Step away from media if you start feeling overwhelmed. 30 minutes each evening at 6 p.m. Be careful what you share. We all need to do our part to avoid spreading rumors and create unnecessary panic. આજકાલ ન્યૂઝમાં હદથી વધારે COVID-19 ચાલી રહ્યું છે. એક ન્યૂઝ ચેનલ જોઈએ, બે ત્રણ, મતલબ બધે જગ્યા આવી આગના રીતે ફેલાઈને કોઈક સાચું ન્યૂઝ આપતું હોય છે, કોઈ ખોટું ન્યૂઝ આપતું હોય છે. તો એ કહેવાય છે ને, હદથી વધારે કોઈ વસ્તુ દિમાગ પર ચડે તો બહુ ખરાબ હાલત થઈ જાય છે. આની બી આવી જ સિચ્યુએશન છે. ઇન્ફોર્મેશન એટલી જ રાખો જે પોતાને અપડેટ રાખી શકે. આખો દિવસ શું કોવિડ-19 ચાલી રહ્યું છે એના કરતાં કોઈ મૂવી જુઓ, કોઈ ફની વિડીયોઝ જુઓ, હસવું આવશે, ફેમિલી સાથે ટાઈમ રહેશે. ઠીક છે, સિચ્યુએશન આવી છે કે આપણે કહીએ કે ગમે ત્યાંથી આ ન્યૂઝ મળે કે COVID-19 પર શું ચાલ્યું છે. દરરોજ સાંજે અડધોથી 1 કલાક ઇનફ છે અપડેટ રહેવા માટે. આખો દિવસ ડેફિનેટલી ઇટ વિલ અફેક્ટ mentally and it will give you pressure inside and anxiety will increase automatically. So better to avoid that हद से ज़्यादा वाला news. એમાં બી એક વસ્તુ છે કે આપણે બીજાને શું કહી રહ્યા છે એ બહુ વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ હોય છે. આપણે જેમ કહીએ ર્યુમર્સ સાંભળવા સારું નહીં લાગે, સેમ સિચ્યુએશન એવી હોય છે કે આપણે ર્યુમર્સ ફેલાવવાનું બી સારું નહીં લાગે. જે સાચું હોય એ કહો તો બીજાને પેનિક સિચ્યુએશન ક્રિએટ ના થાય. લુક આફ્ટર યોરસેલ્ફ. અત્યારની સિચ્યુએશનમાં આ સૌથી જરૂરી છે. આપણે પોતા પર ધ્યાન આપવી બહુ જ જરૂરી છે. મેન્ટેન અ રૂટીન એટ બેસ્ટ યુ કેન. Even if you are stuck at home, try to stick to your regular sleep, meals or your work schedule. અત્યારના દિવસોમાં હું જોઉં છું कि the people who are working from home कि कहने के लिए वो 8 घंटे होते हैं, पर वो 8-12 कब बन जाते हैं, 12-15 कब हो जाते हैं, वो पता नहीं चलता. It's better कि you fix your own schedule. Yes, I'll get up at this time. I'll have my breakfast at this time. I'll have my own time, me time, this particular time. I'll play at this time. I'll spend time with my family at this time. It will be very, very essential because even I have been going through this when the start of lockdown occurred. I used to sleep at 2 because the Ludo was so much addicted that अरे एक और game, अरे एक और game. So it is good to play and have fun, but not disturbing your schedule. So it's very important to have a good sleep and a good meal. Take time out for activities you enjoy. Bring all the activities that you played before. Keep aside your mobile. It's even I do that. It's really very good to play with your family, to have me time with your family, to have gossip about your past with your family, to know what you did in your childhood. Nowadays, when we are busy, we hardly give time to our family and we are least bothered about अरे कौन सुनेगा वो सब. But it is really very fun giving thing. Play with a fun board or video game. Make something like nowadays. I've seen people making cake. Even I tried mine, but I could not. But I'll try again. It is that time that you take new recipe, a craft, a piece of art. कहते थे ना कि हम बचपन में बहुत सारी चीजें करते थे जो बड़े होते ભૂલ જાય મોટા થઈ અને આપણે એ ટાઈમ ભૂલી જઈએ કે આ વસ્તુ મને ગમતું હતું જાણે કે મારે પેઇન્ટિંગ કરવું ગમતું હતું કોઈકને ડાન્સિંગ બહુ વધારે ગમે છે પણ ટાઈમના પછી એ ભૂલી જાય છે એ બધી વસ્તુ કરવાનું આ બહુ સરસ ટાઈમ છે એક એક મેમરી બનશે કાલકો તમે ફ્યુચર જ્યારે તમારું આવશે તમે કહેશો વી વર સફરિંગ ફ્રોમ અ પીરિયડ લાઈક COVID-19 એન્ડ વી વર હોમ ક્વોરન્ટાઇન વી હેડ નથિંગ ટુ ડુ. Don't say we have nothing to do. We had a lot to do. And when you will say this story to your ancestors and your past, future coming generation, they will like, अरे इतने दिन घर में they will enjoy hearing it कि इतने दिन घर में थे फिर तो बहुत कुछ किया होगा. अगर आप ये बोलोगे नहीं हम घर में थे हमने कुछ नहीं किया, they will feel like अरे आपके पास तो बहुत टाइम था आपने यूटिलाइज नहीं किया. So make some memories that when you will relive these memories you will feel नहीं हर चीज में चीजों को करके दिखाना बहुत मुश्किल जरूर होता है पर नामुमकिन नहीं होता है. So this positivity, this small point of positivity is very very good. And when you get time to put it and leave that thing, never deny it. Find ways to exercise. Staying active will help you relax, will help your anxiety to relax, release stress and manage your mood. मूड मैनेज करने के बहुत तरीके होते हैं वो मैंने बता दिया. गेमिंग, गॉसिप, relive your past. It doesn't matter what you do as long as it take you out of your worries. It's very important to keep the worries aside and keep enjoying and positivity, feeling good. ये ऐसा टाइम है, आपको जो करना है करो। आज समय मिल रहा है तो अच्छे से यूज करो। कल पछता के कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। हमारे पास वक्त था पर हमने किया नहीं। Reach out to others and support people around you. Nowadays, this is common that people who are daily work, जो daily wages के workers होते हैं, maybe some may have savings, some may work on, they may survive on their daily wages, and it is very important for them. I have seen people being removed from the company for just a reason that they will not be able to be paid their salaries, and it is really very difficult to look at them. And when they say the word, sir, how will I survive in this situation? So it is like we have that comfort and we can help them. Then go out, reach them, donate to food bank so that needy can get it. You can help old adults, low income families, and others in need by donating food or cash. uh, in this, I have an example of my company. When in April month, we were the जो ડેલી વેજીસ કે વર્કર્સ હોતે हैं, એમનામાં એવું હતું કે હું કામ નહીં કરતો, હું ફેમિલીને કેવી રીતે સર્વાઈવ કરીશ. એ લોકોમાં બહુ નેગેટિવ થોટ હતું. જ્યારે મને આ બધી વાતો ખબર પડી, I was like कि मतलब it is really a very difficult time. They earn on daily wages, they buy at that time, and they cook and eat. So they are not able to earn right now. How will they happen? So the area in the Silvassa there was, and my company had a space they kept there, and they were donating foods, daily wages. So all the worker and the needy one, so they could go and eat there. So it's good if you help in this time. People will not be like left alone. So try to donate if you can. Be kind to others. An infectious disease is not connected to any racial or an ethnic group. So speak up if you hear negative stereotype that only promote prejudice. कहेवाय छे कि बीमारी किसी भी जातिवादी को देख के नहीं आती। ये आपको करवाया है कि ये आपका कर्तव्य है कि नेगेटिव लोगों की बातों से दूर रहे। नेगेटिव वस्तु अवॉइड કરીને ખાલી પોઝિટિવ સાંભળો અને પોઝિટિવ ફેલાવો. Be in a calming influence. If friends or loved one are panicking, try to help them gain some perspective on the situation. वैसे तो हम अपने दोस्तों को बहुत सहूलियत बांटते हैं, पर कहते हैं ना कि जब उनको वाकई जरूरत होती है तब हम कहीं बिजी हो जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ये सिचुएशन ऐसी है. ट्राई टू कनेक्ट दोस फ्रेंड्स विच वी वर नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम. क्या पता उन्हें हमारी जरूरत हो. स्पीक अप टू देम, स्पीक टू योर फैमिली, स्पीक टू योर फ्रेंड्स whom we cannot. Ask them not to get panic. ये पैनिक सिचुएशन जरूर है, डर सबको लगता है, पर એમાં બી એવું હોય છે ને કે કહેવાય છે કે બેડ ટાઈમ્સ એ નીકળી જ જાય છે. ભલે જેટલી ખરાબ હોય છે, બેડ ટાઈમ્સ વીતી જાય છે. Maintain a sense of hope and positive thinking. Being a positive, uplifting influence in these anxious times can help you feel better about your own situation too. એમાં એવું હોય છે કે આપણે જે વિચારીએ છીએ એ જ થતું હોય છે. બહુ બધાને એવું થતું હશે કે હું એક એક્ઝામ્પલ સ્પોર્ટ્સનું લઉં છું કે જ્યારે રેસ સ્ટાર્ટ થવાની હોય છે, બહુ ડર લાગે છે, ખૂબ ડર લાગે છે. શું થશે, નહીં થશે. જે માણસ વિચારતું હોય, અરે આ તો નાનું ડિસ્ટન્સ છે, દોડાઈ જશે, એ પોઝિટિવ થિંકિંગ હોય. ભલે એના ડરમાં એવું હોય કે હું હારી જઈશ, અરે આટલું વિચારી લઈને આ તો નાનું ડિસ્ટન્સ છે હું દોડી લઈશ તો એ વીતી જાય છે. તો અગર આપણે સારું સારું વિચારીશું તો આપણામાં સારું સારું ફીલ આવશે અને સારું સારું વસ્તુઓ થશે. With the right outlook and intention, we can all ensure that kindness and charity spread throughout our communities even faster than virus. Exactly. વાયરસ કરતા ચેરિટી અને કાઇન્ડનેસ બહુ જ ફાસ્ટ ફેલાઈ જાય છે. Take up relaxation practice. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga can bring you back into a state of equilibrium. Nowadays, જે foodie હોય એને ખાવાનું બહુ ગમતું હોય. Guys, it's good to eat, but eat healthy and also try to keep yourself active in that state, doing some of the exercise. So it's better if you go with yoga. I'm also been trying to do yoga nowadays. It's good. It keeps the mind calm and busy even. So be careful that you are not using alcohol or other substance to deal with anxiety or depression. યંગસ્ટર્સમાં બહુ ખાસ હોય છે. They try to, whenever they feel sad, they feel depressed, they want medicines or any of the things that keep them calm. In this, I would say better to have chocolates. Chocolate is good. I will say chocolates are actually good for health. They bring some sweetness to your mind and वो बचपन वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है. मुझे तो अभी भी फील होता है. If I get chocolate, I feel very happy. So instead of alcohol or any other substance, eat the things which you like. Don't go for any medicines for bringing down your depressions. Talk to your family. You will feel good. It will avoid the situation of depression. Acknowledge your feelings. હું આ સિચ્યુએશનમાં કહી શકું છું કે ડર લાગવી લાજમી છે. ડર લાગવું બી જોઈએ. પર ડર લાગતું હોય ને તો પોતાને સમજાવો. ઠીક છે, મને ડર લાગે છે. હું માનું છું, હું આ સિચ્યુએશનને ડરી છું. પર એ ટાઈમ પર આપણા માતા-પિતા, ભાઈ-બહેન, ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, હસબન્ડ જે પણ નિયર એન્ડ ડિયર હોય એની સાથે વસ્તુ શેર કરો. શેર કરવાથી શું થશે કે ભલે ડર તો રહેશે પણ એટ ટાઈમ્સ એવું લાગશે કે ના આપણી સાથે કોઈ છે. આપણે જે ડીલ કરીએ છીએ આપણા સામેવાળા બી એ જ ડીલ કરે છે. એ વસ્તુથી ધીરે ધીરે બહાર નીકળવાની એમ અંદર ટેવ આવી જશે. યુ વિલ ગેટ ટુ યુઝડ एंड द माइंडसेट विल ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज विद इन कि ठीक है डर तो लगता है पर उसका सोल्यूशन भी हम खुद ढूंढ लें. At times like this, it is easy to catch up in your own fears and concerns. Be kind to yourself. Go easy on yourself. If you are experiencing more depression or anxiety than usual, you are not alone in your struggle. It's natural to be concerned about what may happen if your workplace closes. Your children have to stay home from school. You are someone, some loved one gets sick, or you have to get self quarantine. Now, this is but obvious. ડર લાગે છે કે હું અગર ઘરે બેસી જાઉં, મારી નોકરી જતી રહે તો શું? મારા છોકરાઓ સ્કૂલ નહીં જઈ શકતા. મારા કોઈક વડીલ કે નાનો કોઈ બાળક વચ્ચે ઘરમાં બીમાર પડી જાય છે તો શું કરીશ? હું બીમાર પડું તો સેલ્ફ ક્વોરન્ટાઇન થવી પડે તો શું? આ બધી વસ્તુ માઇન્ડમાં આવી લાજમી છે. બટ મેક અ લિસ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધ પોસિબલ સિચ્યુએશન યુ કેન થિંક. જે બી વસ્તુ આ પ્રોબ્લેમની સામે સોલ્યુશન નજર આવે ને એને એક લિસ્ટ બનાવો. ઇન્ક્લુડ whatever comes to your mind that could help to get by for all these. Definitely you will get any of the solution from all these fear coming near you. આટલા બધા પ્રોબ્લેમ્સમાં એક નાનું સોલ્યુશન તો નજર આવી જ શકે ને. એવું તો નહીં કે આપણું મગજ કામ જ ના કરે. થોડું 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 રહીને આપણે પોતે વિચાર કરીશું कि આપણે બીમાર પડીશું તો શું કરી શકીશું. वैसे तो हम આપણે જ્યારે કંઈક પ્રી પ્લાન કરવી હોય તો મહિનાભરનું પ્લાન કરી લઈએ, પણ જ્યારે સિચ્યુએશન બગડે છે ને તો થોડું આપણે એના માટે એક સ્ટેપ અહેડ વિચારીએ ને તો કદાચ આપણને સોલ્યુશન મળી શકે. Stay connected even when physically isolated. It is very good thing कि isolation and loneliness can increase anxiety and depression and even impact our physical health. આપણે એકલા એકલા હોઈએ તો ડેફિનેટલી કોઈને બી પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે, એકલું પણ લાગે છે, મગજમાં બહુ બધા ઊંધા વિચાર આવે છે. ઠીક છે, મેક ઇટ અ પ્રાયોરિટી ટુ સ્ટે ઇન ટચ વિથ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ એન્ડ ફેમિલી. આપણે એકલા છીએ, વાંધો નહીં, એકબીજાથી ટચ તો થઈ શકીએ. એમ આપણે જ્યારે બિઝી રહીએ છીએ તો આપણે એમ વિચારતા હોઈએ છીએ કે આજે હું ઘરે જઈશ તો ટાઈમ કાઢીશું તો આપણે એક મહિના થઈ ગયા ફ્રેન્ડથી વાત કર્યા, ફેમિલીથી વાત કર્યા, રિલેટિવથી વાત કર્યા, ઘરે જઈને વિચારીશું તો વાત કરીશું. બિઝી શેડ્યુલ ભૂલી જઈએ છીએ. અત્યારે આપણી પાસે ટાઈમ છે, આપણે ડેલી બી આપણે ફેમિલી સાથે વાત કરીશું ને તો આપણે એવું લાગશે કે નો નો આઈ એમ નોટ અલોન, માય ફેમિલી ઇઝ વિથ મી, માય ફેમિલી ઇઝ બાય માય સાઈડ. ભલે ઘરમાં એકલું હોય પણ એકલું પણ લાગશે નહીં. While in person, visits are limited. Substitute to video chatting if possible. As I said कि ફેમિલી અને ફ્રેન્ડ્સથી કનેક્ટેડ રહીશું અને ફેસ ટુ ફેસ વાત કરીશું તો આખો દિવસ પણ નીકળી જાય તો ખબર ના પડે. એ તો બટ ઓબ્વિયસ છે કે આપણે લોકો પાસે ગપાટા મારવા માટે તો બહુ બધું વસ્તુ નીકળે છે. એક નાની ટોપિક નીકળે ને તો એની કહાની બની જાય છે. તો ફેસ ટુ ફેસ જ્યારે વાત કરવા નીકળે છે તો કંઈક ના કંઈક ટોપિક બહાર આવે છે. ફેસ ટુ ફેસ કોન્ટેક્ટ ઇઝ લાઈક વિટામિન. ઇટ્સ રિયલી વેરી રિજોઇસિંગ યોર સેલ્ફ. આપણે એકબીજાથી વાત કરવાનું શરૂ કરીએ ને તો બહુ બધી કહાની આવી જ જશે, મેં જેમ કીધું એમ. અને એ મેન્ટલ હેલ્થને કંટ્રોલમાં રાખશે, રિડ્યુસિંગ યોર રિસ્ક ઓફ ડિપ્રેશન એન્ડ હેલ્પિંગ ઇઝ સ્ટ્રેસ એન્ડ એન્ઝાઇટી. મસ્તી મજાકમાં માઇન્ડ ચીયરફુલ રહેશે તો ડેફિનેટલી નેગેટિવ થોટ્સ તો આવશે નહીં, તો ઓટોમેટિકલી માઇન્ડ ખુશ રહેશે, તો યુ વિલ ફીલ રિજોઇસ્ડ, good. You will automatically start feeling good for all this. Don't let coronavirus dominate every conversation. Share stories and focus on other things going on in our lives. पूरे दिन सिर्फ कोरोना 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 करना, बात करने के लिए बहुत कुछ टॉपिक होता है. So don't let this word stuck here, just here, and should be out. So you have to skip this word coronavirus and talk anything about apart from this word coronavirus. Ask for professional support. Emotions are contagious, so be wise about who you turn to for support. All of us are going to need reassurance, advice, or sympathetic here during the difficult time. Avoid talking about the virus with people who tend to be negative. Turn to the people in your life who are thoughtful, level headed, and good listeners. So, instead of only talking about virus and the negativity that is coming to your mind, you can talk about emotional things also to your near and dear ones. You can ask help from those who are thoughtful, who can give you good advice. And this government of India has also issued helpline number, and you can ask for the help even, and also launched an app that is Arogya Setu app. Sorry, this app is actually good. I am also using this, and it is like it will, if anyone who is affected with the coronavirus and the person is positive, if it is installed in your mobile and 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी में भी अगर वो कांटेक्ट में आता है ना, it will give an alarm. It is very good app. Faith is very inner thing we can build in. Have faith in Almighty God. faith in yourself. Have faith in your family and friends. Reassure that everything is going to be all right. અંદરથી ભરોસો રાખતો હોય ને તો બધું વસ્તુ વીતી જાય છે. Everything can be good if just a matter of thought in our mind changes. Stay with your family now or never. If you can't stay with your family now, maybe you may not get a second chance to stay with them, because you must be aware જે infected થઈ જાય છે, if the cases ભગવાન ના કરે ऐसा हो, if the cases get major to be treated and the person is deeply infected with it, the person is not even allowed to meet with the family. So it's the best quote: stay with your family now or never. એક કહેવત છે, સવારનો ધુમ્મસ પણ એ શીખવાડે છે કે બહુ આગળનું વિચારવાનું નકામું છે. ધીમે ધીમે આગળ વધતા રહેશો તો રસ્તા આપે આપ ખુલ્લા થઈ જશે. આપણે જ્યારે મોસ્ટલી થંડીમાં આ એક્ઝામ્પલ ફિટ થાય છે, જ્યારે આપણે થંડીમાં રસ્તા જોવાની ટ્રાય કરીએ છીએ, કંઈ ના દેખાય. આપણે એક જગ્યા ઊભા હોય તો આગળ શું હોય, રસ્તા છે નહીં એ પણ ના દેખાય. પણ આપણે અગર એ જ રસ્તા પર 10 પગલા આગળ વધીએ તો આગળનો રસ્તો દેખાય, થોડું આગળ વધીએ તો આગળનો રસ્તો દેખાય. તેમજ આપણે ધીમે ધીમે અગર આગળ વધતા રહીશું ને તો આપણે આગળનો રસ્તો પણ દેખાશે અને આપણી મંઝિલ પણ દેખાશે. Rest assured that everything is going to be well and all right. So, दवा से ज्यादा दुआ का असर होता है. So, दुआ भी करते रहो और अच्छा अच्छा सोचते भी रहो. बाकी यही कहते हैं, बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Follow the orders of lockdown properly so that these situations may not arise. And it's simple as that we don't know what will happen in future, but staying positive will definitely bring some positivity and some solution out of that. So my friend, I'd like to say again, every dark cloud has a silver lining. It's just a matter of time until you see it. This is the end. This is Manisha Bharti signing off. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manisha. Okay, positive thinking is when we consciously cultivate positivity in our minds so that we think we can get through anything. And it's been scientifically proven to improve our work life, physical, mental health, and relationship. Thank you very much, madam, for sharing your deep thought about the positivity and the current situations. Now I would like to over Ms. Jhankhana Bhatt, the Assistant Professor of AIIS, to present the vote of thanks. Jhankhana madam, over to you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Honorable our Secretary Madam, Srimati Jyotsnaben Patel, respected our Director Madam, Dr. Chaya Patel, invited speaker Ms. Manisha Bharti, and all the dear participants. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Jhankhana Bhatt, on behalf of Anand Institute of Information Science, extend a very hearty vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank to our Secretary Srimati Jyotsnaben Patel for providing permission and support to organize this kind of event. I wish to extend my gratitude to our Director Dr. Chaya Patel for providing guidance, encouragement to organize this event. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Miss Manisha Bhati for her work and special thanks to motivate us for positive mindset and giving such type of knowledge in this era. I also thanks to participants who have enthusiastically participated in this event as no program can become successful with a single person. So I extend my big thanks to all our staff members for their supports. Thank you guys for making these events successful with your contribution. Thank you. Thank you again.
Okay, thank you,